Supertech, the name of trust, innovation, and technology. Advanced CCTV cameras, keeping your world secure 24 hours a day. Bright future with clean energy. Supertech Solar Solutions. Early alert, maximum safety. Intelligent fire alarm systems by Supertech. High voltage protection. Electric fencing that stops intruders instantly. Power that never stops. Supertech generators for uninterrupted energy. Smart communication for smart offices. Advanced PABX solutions. Style meets automation. Smooth and elegant automatic doors. Count fast, count right. High-speed bill counting machines you can trust. Smart attendants with modern biometric systems. Simple, accurate, reliable. From security to automation. Supertech brings technology that protects, powers, and performs. Contact now. 0321-2427-143 or visit supertechcctv.com. Supertech. Secure, smart, sustainable.